away from you, and all I ever asked was for the truth. You showed your tongue and it was forked in